sika no to nchen na sikafu bi wu milonies bi asase na memene wo so what you say and calm yourself down nija laka na wutwa ndebia ebi kun laka na mumu bi chesa uhia na beka so wonyem nso no wonyem laka na ye nsa stop drinking na drinking and solve problem ne ye mema no bi susu potwa ne nsagiam ne enamfuhunu no twaso na fufo no so omo petru nkofo fie a mumu ba we adamfo na ba mfie na me ne me kunu issue na issue ne ntumi nkwa na chesa we bad friend I was a misake when you me free police am still fear ne do fear some don't come there the time that the woman have with her husband leave them alone another brand adamfo for no friend bra wo ha on say bra no wo yiro 10 o'clock na fu bom monchi ye the sunshine beto to moso enti sa wudia won fo bia hono nti won fa buo master na kakra amani bi so anajo 11 o'clock na fu bom sister adai ujumi na ohu kokutu mirika wa bonten ono so mo frɛ ya na wafa abena me phone awo so acha 9 o'clock medum na o frɛ me sabra mintumi no ninko mintumi ba obi chokundu sabra ye o munya free kakrai nsima me ka won tre still la konkonsan be koso and remember the business so powerful she said Brown wa yiro susu ben na wa hwie be kasa wo yege this sister ne Brown ne chisa ya kwaku na tisen kwaku me frɛ wo ntu wo refi se satam wei kwaku wa yire wo so ne yire etena se bonkomo ena mumu bebre mu nti o ne ntokwa na e wo fie ho na tu ncho because papa no se ka wonye obi ni nkoma ko ne yire bedi nkomo nka sister ne obi ni nkoma ko ne kunu bedi nkomo. But because of your phone call, when it be jina phone ni so sa ya na umusa senti ni kunu ha na ni kunu ni o ubu adi on ye mu bi ya dia ya think twice bema wo yire ye frana na jo bresa don't do that. If you what did you know Casso? Oh, I bet it, tell me, did or did you hear Anson? No, self, and I do bread, no, Sifonso. What's wrong with you? It's supposed to be only emergency, and I want to be friend and do breast at time. No, maybe Susie computer him. Obi si computer nanim san na ju 12 obeba no na irada e be addicted to porn then suddenly you telling jao but we are addicted to porn to oba no so di konkonsa ho no so te computer no so obeto ne bo ase atena because one oba na ya ka che nti we are addicted so cheche ne bema to obetena de no ho hwe porn sa de cheche ne bema sa no de akoda da ko chichi sanu wa fenti efom gura edu bedru hospital na nya ye de ho agim because unya make o kasa chire nipa no wonte a sa na eba ma stroke da ko bum so bedjojo wo fa be chase na because of that because wo yiro ho whatever problem you have, solve that problem and be with your wife. A man be so nekasa na head time intino. Brother no will rather sit on the computer. What ban ba ne nchen no se de obesi a wo be ede asem amenya oden obi kura wa ma ne kwan no de obesi obeye no ho no nye fine what you say na me ka wasem if you wanna remember me usam waso ye din ofi ho careful nya me dia ma usam waso ye din na che se wa wo pe wu na wu me nada. They say stress can also cause it. Until remember, so we could property for better for worse. Get that. Now we are in West. This is the time we need each other. This is the time we need each other. This is the time we have to cleave together. So what you say? And Yansafon will win. Oh yes. And Yansafon, by the time I do my baby and Nikun Bekono, Nasundiaba. By the time I do my baby and the Yerebeko, Nasundiaba. But one more dear, almost in Yansan or Mepono, or they will continue to fight and it will be worse. And it will affect the children. Nkolano bra wo mo hye den nimu o unza wo nenam fie onyina wo ese wo hu se hoho because wo hu fie da oni jiw sika no ho che wo man until now prove it. Do anything in your power and win the love of your children so that you can be able to talk to them. Sister Nkolano wo ni o krasa mumi no mote akonwa ba ko so da na nka pese ba ko bubu ba ko more eno no mu aba no bi aba na nu what you say surprise your children, let them know the chemistry between you and your wife very strong. Okay. Sit them down, tell them, you know, I've been distant with your mother for so long because we have some issues, and now I think about it and I think, you know, this is the time we need each other. So from now on, this house, we are going to live in peace. No fight, no anything. And I promise you guys, you are with me, right? From now, I promise, it's not going to be any fight in this house. And I have to back my wife and we have to stay together. Because all these things that is going on, who knows what's going to happen? And we have to humble ourselves. So I'm here to speak to your mother. Whatever I did wrong, I pray that she will forgive me. And I'm done. From now on, you guys will hear any fight in this house. We are going to stick together as a family. And we will fight this disease. You hear me, Kweku? Kweku, are you listening? Mema wakwaba ene said the muhu no masha black ni nyina ne said the econo I deserve to wear black. It's your uncle who see to your dream. No, we are in this together. We have to be united. We are in this together. We are watching for each other. We are praying for each other. Na me Bible no me hu baby onyankopon soma jo na ma ne ko Niniwe ekoka kire ono kra de amfa de kro na mansa odika kase kokobo omukoko. As a matter of fact, Niniwe mpenimfo intellectuals ahemfo ete ye wo mantenase kro no mani monyamfo te ye wo mantenase ohene kra de wo de nsonfo ni tirimu ye mo fra bibi sack cloth ese e de se button atade. Say Israel ni shasa bottle atade no no de ntoma en sungu ni tirima na chese ni braba e da no wo hene enyasam ketwa o declare fasting firi aboa wonim kasa so e di kosi nkola mpo amisa no mututue nufo ano nyina e declare say yenko yenyam yenim na nyame we yenni no yetetea no ye hu nyima bi okoye wo Sodom and Gomorrah. If as a matter of fact wo ye bone kra no bebo okokwa na chese wo do pa enti wonyame tu ne bofo ama na bedru ni kuradua yi mu na wo meka ye boni nkyere ye se ye boni asomesi ne ye nya ne firi hu dia ne me wo hene me ntena se nti wo hene yi ne niema guo ne niema no wo de tena konwa so a otuntu hu na atum se yes wo ye hene o mu trete yi tuma wu sakra wo madwe o mu kyere wurade sampa ye ni abre asema waka ne ya tene ye bekoye nkotodwa anim o mu dia konkyene ne nkotosere me gidi ye pa se wo mu pie omu bie Bible Psalm 51 me gidi ye so omu bie ade na dane me gidi ye pa bie Psalm 51 me gidi ye so omu bi they open Psalm 51 omu ankase ene ayi Jonah wa bahade a we de ye mo akwa ba na ye kra no ye free bompa ye ne ye kuroi na ye pa ye sre nyame se ka wo ma ede se adwadifo emre kuroi mu na ede se nyema enko yi maye na ye companies egugu no nyame nyenye na ye pui mu na nsa fish ye kwa ye nya bi na bi mram enti odifo wo bade a hyenkom bukuro yi so na sere wrade na wo ma ne nyema enoba ye ne nyema na nsa ekuyafo yi ba ye wo mo so wo mu dua de kora ye hyeda nkonanim enti ye besre o se bo hyenkom bukuro yi so ye na nyame nipa yi de ai na ka kire wrade se wo nhyire kuro yi Nini we hinini na nkasasa. No. They first go to God in prayer for forgiveness. That's the first thing they did. That is the first thing they did. They went to God in prayer. Because yabeka omuse yebesi kroi omuboni afufure do awrade anim. Nti wo hine nkoye se wodi fo abakrum hade abechira ye neko. They first go on their knees and pass omu be free akomam nti wonyame so ohuni ade no so wo ya o sha akomam ni pebi bi agro wonyame onkofo no mo punyame asemo utimi point fit an opakop menumre they don't listen omuntie ti jesa wona madum ni mobrohun so na awrade wo so yemu wo mo mpa wasem Womani jini mufunu chen wasem. Ye bie wasem mu pe no maskata. Omo mpe wasem. Na me kra me ye nipa kra na me bie wasem no maskata ne ha mi na wo. Nti awrade je sa wo na modom e bro so mobro. Wo de wo hu mobro doso pa. Fa bi dum ye because wo mai pa de. Oh, omo mpe wasem. They don't like it. The Bible no Psalm 51. Was whoever live under the shelter of the Most High. Debio, sorry, Psalm 51. Even Marco Dree. Share. Who's many so? Yeah, Psalm 51, sorry. I could be Psalm 91. I'm sorry, babe. Yeah, Psalm 51. Will be back, mammy, where they all baby will be preaching. Yentino cry, or Sammy. Psalm 51, yet cheated David. Okodi boni. Okofa Uriah here, Emma Yukum Uriah. Otiasi. And now Yamesma, nay time ban and chain. It will be in a day. The nay time by on in the Casa be boom. We know, oh, different. Let's send the power when you pass what Nasa so no said, Nana, wow. Bible so say Natadia she was shine Natadi. He broke down to tears. Face down. Was celebrate of forgiveness. E come no ba no kra nyem. O ye onyame se kumakola. Wa makola nantna. Onyame stretching no man who say yes, e jawo. E no kra wodo ntia. Wodo wa no ye sa. Wo kan ne man ho no ye sa. Wo kan ne man ho mfi. Ube di boni million on kasa. Fashion wo de koso frantoa abre sabre yesi nyame ho adom onfiu on kasa. Obetwen wa ba o miss wa ma omre bia wo de bi di wasase so wo be wu. Na wo be dru ho no ma no wo be difference. So what you say? No do David. Nti osoma ma yi be yi nate. Onyame wo do nti na wo de matena. God loves you, that's why you're here. Until you have to be an He wants you to change. He wants you to calm down. He wants everything to shut down so that people can be calm. They won't be like, me quite and I'm a far, and I'm a no. So what you say? Many Abraham Tiao. Mintina Hanama Hungumo. A chance at the other semi mammy be and papa be a woman nada. Many Abraham. Because you nipa e kwasa siniku kumuno. And you come on, sir. Mini kojan kamidi kojan in a many Abraham. So what you say? I just said you want to yes was in the echoes on family. Now, one more with the idea by us, listen, Obia was still a BBIan. Obia would be a joke, a BIan. When you make idea instead of humbling yourself, who you joke. Obia, ye joke, who American TV, so ye joke, if you back who are men, or ye joke, who share that for Max, be share, yes, or ye, chum, Nibiano. Basketball player or play games or yeah, coronavirus or the insect touch it, chum, not touching or no so. Obia would do rough be into this thing, good dear, some near Kanoha. Many be a break, many. You won't cost some 51 near Casa. Tea the David kind. You read a ban in one disrespect your radio, one your house with our sim. Obi opunya me asem bia wo disrespect wo nyame. E trese nyame no mu no wo disrespect no. Nti na semba you don't like it. You just want it to go away. Okay, annoying in your ears. E sound no gugu sa akasa ejiji. You don't hear anything. E ma bufu ni nyina ne say, hunhuma wo ye kronkron no, wo ye light, wo ba wo dwane, you wo tisum nti wo ba, you can't stand. And I pity for that person. By Yamima was so much say, let's see much or Mujinafa. Want to be moved. As some bono pass, Mujina. Sanity. But you would be soon Tinimuno, is soon at 2 moon into a man, Quamantin, and some when I found you. One only you flew on your wall. One only you flew, or Munamia some bone, a yoke to some Quasiasem. Miss Rina, Miss Mobile, because somebody equally party. My brother, my sister. Nya come sir. Or say, have pity on me, O God, in keeping me with your mercy, in keeping me with unlimited compassion. Wipe out my rebellious acts. Wash me truly from my guilt and cleanse me from my sin. I admit, we have to admit, I admit that I am rebellious. My sin is always in front of me. I have sinned against you, especially you. I have done what you consider evil. So you hand down justice when you speak, and you are blameless when you judge. Indeed, I was born guilty. I was a sinner when my mother conceived me. Yet you desire truth and sincerity. Deep down inside me, teach me wisdom. Purify me from sin and hyssop, and I will be clean. Wash me, and I will be whiter than snow. Let me hear the sound of joy and gladness. Let the bones that you have broken dance. Hide your face from my sins, and wipe out all that I have done wrong. Do you hear? Also create a clean heart in me, O God, and renew a faithful spirit within me. Do not force me away from your presence, and do not take your Holy Spirit from me. Restore the joy of your salvation to me, and provide me with a spirit of willing obedience. Then I will teach your ways to those who are rebellious, and sinners will return to you. Rescue me from the guilt of murder. Okokum nipa ba kope. Abortion san way you go. Oh God, my Savior, let my tongue sing joyfully about your righteousness. Oh Lord, open my lips, and my mouth will tell about your praise. You are not happy with any sacrifice, otherwise I will offer one to you. You are not pleased with burnt offerings. The sacrifice pleasing to God is the broken spirit. Did you hear that? Broken spirit. Akoma ebubu na peche. Eno na ewurade mpo. Oh God, you do not despise the broken and sorrow hearts. Favor Zion with your goodness. Rebuild the walls of Jerusalem. Then you will be pleased, and with sacrifice offered in the right spirit, with burnt offering and whole burnt offerings. Young bulls will be offered on your altar. Yes, meet my country. Yes, serious to say I'm in PMMM. Chi no sukakra. Psalm 51. Chi no beka se enyom. Wasu onyankopon me mobo se wado yetie. Mobro hu ne do so nti pepa me mrato. Ogoro me ho free me mumuyomu kra. Ne prapra me ho free me boni mu. Na me hunu me mrato no. Na me boni wo wanim da. Wonko ara na mafom wo. Na maye de eye wani so boni. Na wodi bem wo kasam. Na wo ho te watemu mu. Hwe wo me amumuyom na boni mu na me na nyinsa ne me. Hwe wo pe nokre me sawa mu na ma minhunu nyansa me mu. Ehunte asem. Okay. Fa idware yi me ho boni na me ho emfi. Jura me na me ye fita sene na me ye fita sene sukrema me nante enigye ne abotoye mu nsem ma mente enigye ene abotoye mu ensem na nnompe a wobubuo no adi ahurisie yiwani free me boni ho ehunta na pepa memumuyo nyina onyankopon bo akoma emutie mame na ye hunhuma fofra asietim wo memu ento memfiri wanim enjene na enyi wo hunhun konkron emfiri me so mi mamenya wo nkwanje ho abotoye mu bio na enyimi enyi wozedai enyami oh osina ayemiyi hunhum aso memu mechire mratofo machire mratofo kwan na eneboyefo adane aba wonchen onyankopon menkwanje nyankopon jimi free moja hunfo emu na mate techrema eto wo tenene hu ahurusie dwom na mato ketrema oto ato wotene ho ehurisi edum. Thank you erade bue mano fafa na mede mano machire wayeyie na wompe aforebo anka mebo ahye afodie aso wani ohye afodie aso wani onyankopon afodie ni honhoma ebubuo onyankopon akoma ebubuo na ana apeche na worimpo manonye wo fe se wo beye Zion yie to Jerusalem afesu eno na wo bepe tenene afodie ohye afodie ni afodie a emu anu na wode na ntwinini beko wafori buchia eso. Hallelujah. Bubuchi na faso fachemi sabrewe minwu obi a wakodware a na tadi fia na hye no odware wie wasade ahye de bia ye dware wie yi di aye fi no obu okra wo hu nsenu aye hu hwem utum sa ye fi na wato odi agu ba bia okwakosie na wo hye foforo sabrewe atadi fie wo hye wo se eworo ansa ne yesre wurade no wo hye ye tena ne atade yinyina ye bone ya ye bone tie wurade. So what you say? Ebidie ya wudie, ebidie ya tro, ebidie pesemi nkunya hoya anytime nentintwitwa akayo enibre, you name it. You move bebre ya ye eni manketing because we gather all this thing together na be you. So what you say? and the Christopher shall be bomb pie, ready, my revival and see, my revival and see. I do we are abbey. Nipper be found when young con. Nipper be found who slew ready. Mumu Jania Tuan, when you make Nipper be attention. Or more Jumama or Adrena occupy. They don't even have time to stay home. Now, what silence will be our the careful a see. What the careful a see for a reason. I do Senia unim acquire when you make first Juma. And will be who say, no, God is doing this to draw my attention to Him. And let me be focused. Mamina focus and we're ready. And do Senia Batias you. So what you see, Nipper Jimmy for one fair radiasamo. One quad will be Shefia. Serious. Among for me hold party won't fear. Nina say they don't care what is going on. Sabri way ye want to send you to David. Nipo bakupo in Wukun. Look at what God did. Why you in the pemu or hina what ye Joshua? Wo ye nin huagro. Etimission son attack you face down. Why you shouldn't deeply kutano a kunyam praying a minu. This is the time Ubianko ne kukum, Nyafene, you room my phone Yakobonica. So what you say, Uncle Caboni, and say a news. Ababa will be so I bonny will call room my uncle Roman Cocanaboni. Papa or Cocanaboni actually, Baba, we shall take a canaboni and wash us so new. Wait, in tea and kai, young continent Pabianim. When you mean nothing, what was so new from one found. So what you see, but who go catch nipa de nipa bi be twa no what so no fum nipa bi be pa ho ne wada ye nkan ye boni nkyere nipa ye ka kire urade me hu se David kokoto nipa bi anim e na wo ka ne boni kire no osunso o face down urade anim. You know yourself before you pray to God say urade hu me mobo de e ba ye so e ma ya ni bi nkan ye no di kan esre boni fache. Yes, I won't buy one in Lucille. Me nada. Because on tia the buyer from paye. On yame on tia at the boyer from paye. At the boyer from paye would see a hum empire. The one no now was trouble and no will be in a soup no tiampa and also crowd or career command or Yakumu carry for or career idea. Say value and answer who ye be na he. So what you say? Why Yakumu carry for? Inti who kon enimu akosra bone facha. Hunu say nye nipa bia keke. Wono no wo fiti kotia wakuma ne wagene kuta unyina. He knows everything. And to make sure say inside the brain and the heart everything is clean and you're going and pa akumane bubu you are coming to pray. Would you won't kai crowd see where do me more if you me more fast business ably boni be ready media yo my yin yankopo me kutu wanim ready me more mintina obe wu ye ready mintini your boy was in him mintina wo chie mu say it is finished wo wie wo sase wo de boye fu wu nya wo fe ready me ye de boye ni me jintum e no kore ma fumu nti fa me boni cheme. Go to God in prayer. When you finish your prayer, then you go to Him and say, Father, have mercy. Ma wa dum no so mame. Umobro una dosum ti rade pepa me mrato. Umi mobo ye no kro wudi bimo. Ucha mi gu sesi a wudi bim e ye no kore. Me nia no ye me temi ko fa lawyer bia. Eni ti rade umi mobo ne fa me boni che. Ansa na wabɔ mpaya ka kire rade se. Owi na etwa mu no hu mobo no man passing by you. So what you say? And yes, I will no cry the chest of the old yellow crown, no crown, whom would say you be. And now so when you me whom until your castle ready, a few more facilities, but me be a my year, you make kindly the main kind. You ready for me? Now see you to me, the Akodro, and ya come up, a kusubu ready to say ya. A friend of my best say. And yes, I may say, umpire and it is the auto, what to boss on a tassel. And cop bound it by our dear, because one castle you could trouble the Christian. So what I say, we are such in Siam, Cosiam and quite Christosum. Until before we best said the money slenny bino. Sir, I was so caught mouth ni sampa. Why you bonny waffle? So what you say? Obi kura odi agro odi be che waso kakra wo nkum ebe yeyero no ani ahan no asa je wo mu no asa yare. So what you say? Until this time no ye ni wunyame ye close. Ye ni nyame ye very close. Ye hwe ye ni yikunum ne ye yere no abuchiri. Afa me beto afa me baby. Husbands have no time to stay home. They don't know what their children are doing. They don't talk to each other. I feel carefree. This is just the beginning. And maybe a swallow dear. They don't listen. Or why you occupy. Occupy. They love their jobs and the money that they were making than the marriage that they were in. The trouble is going on in the family because of money. Oba muni kunu omfani kunu nyebi because she got money. She have a good job. They treat the marriage anyhow. Until divorce is like this. Ebisu tifio, but they were like roommates. They don't talk to each other. Me come chira brother sister. Onyame ope unity. What did they make? Onyame ope unity. Sabre we na wo yire na wo na ya ka for so long. Mfa we to me wi ha. Wo yire na wo na ya ka for so long na wo so ye adwuma mu na ya wo yire na wo bibia no. Ai na wo tifie no. Say ye me na wo I will go to that woman and say, "Mommy, me din something. Me din kosi asem for so long. Minim se say wi ase no, yam fa nkɔhwe. Say nyame bi wo ho ampa da kopɛ otimi hyato kuro nyina nda. Me ampa no me fa medwuma ni agro. Me ntene fie wi ase da. Nso ne me tifie ni nyina ne sɛ onyame shiki grounds. Me dofo. Die si bia ye mani ntwam. Ni mfa odon tena se. Uni baby akomi ni baby akọ akayo ne metu maka no emfa ye nkusi hwe ni ye focus ni ye tete ye ma ni ye mfa ye ni nto awurade so. Be me bia wu ni nyansa asema make follow it and it will help you. Things will change. Me come it raw. Onyame asheki ground so say na wo sa betene fiat na wo fu so ade wo chi aha wo yire pade abra. Na wo nyanhu be wo gina danger na nyanhu ni. Obi anka ntra. You are digging your own grave, but obi enyamo wa mane. Nadia meme nyame na me so bo wa mane. If I was you, I would go to that woman and say me dofo betena se. Obi ntisi kanko ware ne tamfo. E die ne free section e dey say e free so bet che bayira ho mamu ama bayira mu akese. E die nko ane eje. E die nko ane eje ne metu makawi. Boni bi ade ayi bibia me ne acho. Obanya nsafo nso onya fe no wo besom na no aka jai me mpo ni mu kaseti obanya nsafo timi wa me oba to sa wa sinyame ya adom na ba me nya sa koma we eba receive him ne ka hu se wo so wa ye boni bi onyame de acha ne ka chen se me dofo mi ni uni asem mi ni uni asem asante fo ne tonyum odo mi ni uni asem yaka me no ntami odo nko a odo ewe mentie ni atamfo beka esanse odo bi yo awari ebu ntokwa etisasa sini abo ode mi ni tejum to kam to chere nyansani ebe judi matimiwa yati ase because nipa nsahwe yewi nipa ewu metu makamfa nkosi hwe ena mempa ona waye kese na me ware wo wasesa mfa nkosi hwe yinyina yenka ye humom ni yenya adwene bako ni yentena se na awurade wo pe unity because awurade bo wurafia so wo besan yade no wo ba na disunity a wanhwe wo besan na chiako. So what you say? Obanya nsafo be kase say yo na jimifo ni bi no wo de laka ne kasa no de wo mbesay game no they will destroy it. And maybe a woman to me chalakano, they will destroy the game. Oh, Messeno. You have no idea why when you make careful ya 2 years in na. Was you couldn't just so bad no ntine fie no fanning to form no hwe de ekoso. Why you too busy? Was you yiri and shut down what the careful ya to so tina fie na hye wo mane mu enema ekoso. Mo yi busy che. Tam kura wunya tam no no mpati ase. Wo kasa ni tam. And when you make the careful ya to so what was Steve Muncho? Steve Muncho na tu ani show fio. O mane see, far full no pe baby to. Nan the pratoto a won tene fie, nkolani behavior no, 1 week or so 2 weeks say dia man set ne fie no, sha see check o man sa what to won ampa. She baby, a man be than the man and ma at the same time. They don't stay home. Meme in tene fie, o mo na ya papa ne mama at the same time. Papa ne beba na nkolana da, obi da jumum. Metia bia wo hu me se me bokrereka me nyame mfa krereka ni metra ena wo mesense wi mu nkasa nkyere wona me ye nkosiafo ya so ena na obekasa ne so be nyansani na betie nsema mekan ya nka wo be yu krefri wo if you are buba would you want to see they don't talk to now they were friends with their phones than their wives than their husbands. What do you mean about what you mean to see the Obabi Drabuch? A kurunu aniji any musica painting. Any mu pocha, and then you move food a cosu kurunu any ginty, and maybe I will do watching to what do you mean where yak? I must say more than a roommate. But I won't buy one through Lucilio, just a woman and just a whooper when you mean him to send the echo in some quite just a call you now could make it peace and Sakura now could boost a rather from Bonnie Chamia because of the one in the damn papa when you find the Bonnie channel until cost some 51 until safe your certificate before you go there because you're going for forgiveness and this will be of you also so none in that core you have to finish that first before you go to God. So what you see? See, can you Japadi would in any nipa be wanty? Yet you want to your name be a wasso. Am I ye to your wadi energy? Your man bosses, Nkolana say, Nkolana, I get addicted to pornography. Papa Nunim. When was the last time, Papa? What you matna say, boys no guess no? When you matna see no mudim como as a father. When was the last time you lay hands on them and pray and ask blessings upon their lives? When was the last time you do that? You're always busy. To me, no men yagro. Mammy no before tia san kolan with you. What to stand it is a wee aimless. Make a mitro. Mammy no before tia pana what to yan and colana muno. And don't see what you before be a san colan. Nkoyo. Me say. If this one goes away, another one is on the way coming. Until the children of God will repent and say, Father, have mercy. And yes, I'm so and most of them have from move. We have to fix our house. We have to get our house in order. Uko adwuma wo manager ene wo girl a wo ne ye adwuma na asere kire no onna ne bonsu hehe wo tumi fra wa na judesio makoka ha be fam wo tumi tuka nsum oba na wo ne wo da no wo ne nkasa. You have bitterness against her. When I am see the tutu kire be ma bui na se tutu ye na kire wo bo ampa ka de mo ne be che. Si tu no to ye na kire wo bo ampa sa de mo kan no a ka de mo ne be che. So what you say? Ubi heavy and tiny bitterness a woman to money say when you need. Or mobile beginning, if you want to know what the best system if they say 70 home now, Cocrabuno, a honor who be about Diano, said you be see so, said you sit here, a honor who say, hey, say when you one can of some. Dia wo prepare nyina nipa ewu yesi wo mo yesi enam kwa within 24 hours 360 people a day 24 hours dem omu nyina where are they going ntina wo see that keteso ne yadwe so what you say ni hu se ne nye dia ye de china ho hwan ho ne ya na wo see ye de osoma ye n'adwuma. So what you say? The cost will feel on and for unity ma nti mutie mu a anya adwuma. Onyame penti na ye yetumi fie kwa asore ni nyina yakohia mu no. So what you say? Ubu befu wo yire na ukohia obabi wa bonten wasere akere no. What kind of man are you? Mu bebre sa if you want bo se wuti fie still la wada no wani ahedan still la why yire ne sa na dubu mbobo me pacho obra wana be frɛ no we warning unyame de masa no a man be so I don't know this time a man be minim I don't know. A woman so unyame se my weaker vessel. A member no woman town in dim. By money be no means minyanti and yama be ase. Meaning say yesiko. Say I don't tomo so. And a bit a bit behave to say yes, woman for muti wing to be so. Some of them they behave a very childish. Ne name be obey and never sakola. So what you say? Omono de bia no seeking for peace no musu jagu. Wo peace no musu jagu. Some of them they were like that. Papa na brand ho asimpo no na wo sign a behave childish. Some people they speak in action. Some people they don't talk. Me say minimikunu or kasa or actions him. Or ya dear na the coroning ya. Sibi obetna si asha datna si say no. And then a baba but the actions mo. Wubungs would in a kitchen. Be a warrior sheto or boa watche or ye way or one money or catch on my more relaxed nature say or who say. And you may be to woo and no na fe wo some tienu ye megina wa fere pa ya de watch bi na de wa de no no ma hwan wa fere pa wa fere ya he de watch bi. Some people speak in action. Ebino so when some people speak in action they still don't get it. Ebinumu eda sukuta bufuo nekora wotifie na nadwuma no omu nkwa adwuma na omu nyina sese wafa nkola no ene wo ma ade so na ode ache oban obi ade na bam 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 kichi wo no nko na gina wo nkomo wo di nyina yini kunu ho kutia no bam bam e wo kichi ho papa no pese wo get close but wo ntumi the sister na ye na no de. What kind of a person are you? So we a Sunday school teacher me wa so we a Sunday school teacher. Uko church and colony, yes, mammy, the Saint Mary, and the papa, the Saint Joseph. And to Suba went to Bacobi. This is the time we have to come together. God knows why. Or the carefree after your show. Yentinefie. Come together. And then make us only if you hiding. Papa Nasa and Meguni came poor or mopi. For me to have peace. If you hanya quiet, na mintu ina omekasa. Wojine huntum se woni adaje eye no kora mikunu won tena fie oni time. But every little time he gets or spend it with his children. Some of us We don't do that. The money be correct me man come be man chiri. Ebia wakasa in actions. Ebia ni maybe one time ye afi we hu fi o na wo ye. Obeda be sorry na kwasi na because wan kwa adwuma. Nti won nam ho wo check niam o hye obehu nim se wo baketwo bonebo na wo ye kwaku be didi kwaku didi kakra o kwaku ni didi kakra. Eno no e wo se wo ye smart. Eno no ye smart wo ho ye nkotena fon so. Ya akua wo. Ana me se me fro. Okay. We are sitting ebi beja ebi ti desumi ye papa so. Ye no say dey ti desumi ye papa so. Oh, Sister Jai. Sister Jai, now ka ga ne wedding no. Ai. Enya se bikito, na se binu kwa ware pa o. Ye de se ja. Ai. O de nkomo ho ai mefro. Ai. Yo. Na papa na yedin na oguso ye de oye. Nti se nyame amemu a wanhwiye eja betom. Nti oso no so ye smart na ohu se no. On chuma masa na ma we nkoso. Be wise. Be very wise. Ebia you see him doing things and now when ye and the na si wa ha. Nyafe na be fafo na be bru nkutia. What you say? You will be yet pa. I don't know, say you be trouble for chase you trimudo say you. Ama you will fin to your papa be a dema you free. You will be yet pa. You nimukasa, you nim so be ye bibia. Na a ya, you nim how to get engaged with the person. But as you be trouble, you know, we are learning different things. Ama you to me and catch it up. So be bad. We don't know how to meet the person in the right way. Learn how to meet someone when they were coming with nice. But you move be we don't. It's MC we nephew because you to tell your pa. You to tell your pa. Brand try the best you know. Na sister ni ma wo yem fakwam. Nsima o kekane ne nkoma na wo die no nye. I said, "I want to fear ja." I said, "Coronavirus, Corona, what bad nation?" I said, "Yeah, what said about the case?" I said, "Yeah, it become because a papa won't for Bible that." Who saw them upon the who saw for Bible? Hey, coronavirus. Hey, Lord have mercy. I queer. I remember Hawaii. And secret them gentleman why dry you and yes some credit. Remember say sister no here. Ya de ayi ni baka come on and tomano. Woman ayi. Na o say ayi so mama de wa ho. Christopher. Christopher. E be din komo. Ah, ye be din komo fatu so. This one, niema bi say na ya me mabla me friend nkurasesem. San niema bi say na ya me friend nkurasesem o. Enye di won to me nanti mo kumo. There be o. Enye di won say di si ya chia wo. Sa cruise bi say na me friend wo nkurasesem. Papa nam fa Bible da all of a sudden. Wo wo so wa fa Bible. Afa na be buru na kutia. Because we nyachum. Ubeye sama unyamekra wajao. Sa social media, hey, now because of coronavirus, everybody turned to Christian. Everybody have to turn to God. All the sinners, they have to. Yeah, preaching your Bible, no. So we will turn to God. Yes. When we see that, we rejoice. You need you. So you will say yes. The shake-up that is going on, people be imagine about you need you. But some people they will say, hey, say the into omungusu nyabone. And baby could just snap of Frank to a fufuma. Hey, no friend of downfall. As I said, none of money to become. Mom, Dad is reading his Bible. Oh, for sure, I'm your name. And the oh, reading my Bible. I don't know what class on the bay. No, no, class on the bay. I will read the Bible. I read it. Not for penny what. Meaning, and so one tinty into one or some. It's women and no to know the at all. You shouldn't cry. Kakotun is a no Jania Koshabafu, more pedanza. You ready, Medawas. Say you to me, ready Medawas. Miss Robabu ya Mikunasu Mani Yanto. Coping so between Tinness. Sunny AM. And maybe me come them command the Bible. I'm Fiso Mukurada. Let me Fiso Mukurada. So beam no walking kind. It should be some colana conomoko preaching was answer out. And the minutes as I way or Bible no, so must yes, or Bible no. War also no mamma quotation without the everyday. With the Bible nation, come to Maka say where you on Pena me some tremendous family, but with the Bible no man or be a Bible nim king. One day, be mamma money no surprise, so someone who's a miku a preacher. One preacher, because a human when I made the baby and so. And she just will become into one of them over. He will meet me halfway. Because of baby when I made the make on way free when ye just want the neck up. What I say, just to be a quiet one day, not some matron, and also the Miss Ready. So what I say, when I mean the free one and ye into a bed family, so I just want the neck up. Until he is coming. Until sister, be wise. Hey, you will be on my and Tokona ya conquer. Ye a honeymoon, you need deal with that side. A bus will be a DB 1 year. All of a sudden, yeah, you need deal with him. A queer before so I encourage the person to keep doing it. That person, no, you discouraging no. So what you say? You discouraging the pakro. If you cry and talk about, if you cry, Nasam Kura, no one Nakura say, and your man Koye, Nasa say what steam watching on Wabefi. No, what person or bell, man, coin. Now, so to you, we are on Nakasa. So what you say? Your man coin yet talk to home from me so called. And so we want it. Coronavirus. And then the coronavirus by the selfies will be wrong. And what be John most of me no day. Ukasasa names a 1 year Abigail. Unya Abigail. Unya Bia. I mean, what I am so timid. Memintasa. Who was the war banner in the energy shiano? And no son, a quiet but them. I want to be first for Urano. Where's the other hay? Oh, Pamano. Sir. Now, when you meet Pamuakato, Bonnie with you, a bush, you want to me, a kind crime to me kind. What I say? And no one knew who was some way. To the action, the big crowd could jump kitchen, which you try the baby, be no could run in China, which you chat, or them for him. You book all Johnny. No idea, what they nation, the same well. If you are say a JD, and they clamation him see a kicker. You pay one, you make free was as so. Dear CB, our doing Yamaninka. ni intimacy because you say yare kura say stress so man yare ni tumi kan no kura so they say stress who stress bebre ba utumi say nya yare no aka odane say stress kura tumi ma yare ni bi yenya bibia ma ne nkan ye ntina so dwem ye mayi wo fie afeni first na ni munum na wo school mu na ese nkola ye no mu ne wo fie eni kwasi munum na oti ase e wo se e de wodobo dum ni ye bibia ma na ye kama because nkola wo musua e no sta no kora nkola ni ye bibia ye nyi ni tuma kan ye tuma ba no ni ye tuma tia won ye tuma kan bibia kire won na ayefe so won bibia ne ha mimituai mini bibia akọ sa na wo su ni bibia akọ aware ye nipa bejaye yo so sisi e kasi ye jaya omo mbedi atam ne doso omo mfi ye so what ase omo bebo ye kwa du sa me yesa kodifo wa awrade anim enti sese no yi fa ne say afre dance ya so what unse wo ware me wadu eze otumu se shape ana na e wo ofese ko wa afre dance ya boka nya hwe nya nko na afre dance ya boka nyi na ye ntena sumdwem na ya ma stress am ku ye ntem obanyansani speak like this by Jimmy Fubi omuwomu be ya o mi na jawe de o chire coronavirus so fi so bewu na ahya ho no na me se misre radio mi so kunkum sa krusu ya maye stop na bewu first so one hwiye no one mo kwan amade unyame pese ye adwuma no anya adwuma na unity ni fi ho a you will be in trouble cause unity ni ho a ebia papa epese onya na mani madum maame pese onya na mani madum di opese onya na mani madum bia no nkola na ye bone undumi nka cause okoyo mo hehe ya onya wo mani madum wo mo so na obi a oba ono wo mo kasa na oyi wasi nche so what you say nti sie pese nyina ye kan ye tambo ano ni timi tete nkola na e was the first we have to be united ye mienu ye kan bo mu se a afino na adwene ne bekọ bankrum ne nkola ne ya de o de kopem ha papa sisei o de pem ha maame so sisei ma o ko maame wa maame se u ko eda di sisei o se daddy si da bi o se me so me se da bi ne ya kan bo mu sei ba we de me ko eda di si da bi o da o se da bi sei e de kan kokofa o se de da bi ye tifia ye ne nete ya kokofa na mnya kwan ma daddy si ma me se kofa ante na fi akola no e disrespect ne papa na fe akola no o disrespect ne maame nti we ye de ko heaven onyame nim the reason why I was silence what the careful ato yeso what the sanction ato yeso was stay focused na fe afi stay focused afi twani na afi bi wani nie ne hu de ekoso no why you too busy afi so fi na waba no watch your mouth. The way you talk to friends, and may ekutia bonko modibia ofio. Watch you if you want peace, you have to watch your mouth. The way you talk. And yes, I will be say at the end of cry. I feel we go from they say bad to worse. So what you say? He stress is so and yet. Be wise. Onyame what is so obia. Or she will be this is the time of shaky grounds. We don't know when this thing is going to end. Nti si epeso onyame yempaibo wutia. We have to stick with each other. We have to be united. Don't just sit down and brag about your money and your properties. One hwiye unkoto. One she ufnu kwa to me fanko. Coronavirus one a decro. One a deco. Until this is the time we have to be wise. Very. A man madane and they say millionaires and man. A musika ninti mufamukumunya bogena mundo maya swine. Mumubina monkra tenti mumfa mema nya bogena mundo maya swine. Mumusa wa muwo no. Ebi kra they were born here. Udia no buy na be natural line e dia ma wo. Mo a they say Dubai for man or mukoko kwansuna muwosi cannot be wise. Calm yourself down. Wusi can interest with your bema. Yes, it true to it should be them. Into no sick when it comes to the marriage, you know, for Usi cannot change. Nesika fubi Milonia sibi assassin me meno. So what I say, and calm yourself down. Nija lakana uchan debia. Ebe kum. Lakana mubi chasa. Ushiana beka swanyem. Nsuno wanyem. Lakana yenisa. Stop drinking. Na drinking and solve problem. Ne ye mema no bi susu potwane nsagiam ne nnamfuhunu no twaso nnamfufo no so omoso petru nkofo fie a mumu ba wo ya damfo na ba mfie na me ne me kunu ishi na ishi wo ne ntumi nkwa na chesa wo ye bad friend e wo se mesake wo nhwe ye mefre police ama still fear they do fear some don't come there the time that the woman have with her husband leave them alone. Another brand than for no friend, but I will say, Brown, what you 10 o'clock on a full boom. One she in the sunshine, but to Tomoso. And tis a winner who won't fall beyond on two for woman, Master Tanaka. A man be so, and not 11 o'clock on a full boom, sister. Are what do you mean now? Coco to me, cow, Monte. On the swamp fray, I know a fact. I've been on my phone. I was watch 9 o'clock. No, friend, Miss Abra, mean to me, no, mean to me. But obey chocolate. Sabre yo mwenye free kakre. Nsuma make one still la kon concern be koso. And member ni bi susu pa ho hihye. Bra no wo yiro susu ben no wa hwie be kasa wo yege. This is tane bra na chi sa ya kwaku na ti sai kwaku me frɛ wo ntu wo refi se sa tam wei kwaku wo yire wo so ne yire etena se bonkomo. And a mube munti on and tokwana a woofy on a tuncho because of papa no seka when you been in Ninkoma, Conin Yibedin Como, and Cassastan you been in Ninkoma, Conin Kulbedin Como. But because of your phone call, when it brings in a phone, so sad, Yana Musa Tinikuno and Nikuno. Who are young? You will be a dear, and think twice. Bema wo yire ye friend na jo bresa. Don't do that. If you come to what did you know wakasa obo wa ibete chala me didi wia o didi wia ya nso no wasaf anado bre no sifo so. What's wrong with you? It's supposed to be only emergency. And I want to be friend and do breast atam no. Nebi susi computer nim. Obi si computer nim san na ju 12 obeba no na irada. E be addicted to porn. Then suddenly you telling jao, but we are addicted to porn. To obana so di konkonsa ho no so te computer no so obeto ne bo ase atena because one obana ya ka che nti wa ya addicted so twetwe ne bema to obetena de no ho hwe pon saa de twetwe ne bema saa no de akoda da ko twetwe saa no wa fenti efom gura edu bedu hospital na enya ye de ho agim because unyame ko kasa kire nipa no wonte a saa na eba Ebema stroke da kubum so bejuju. Wo fa be chassie na because of that. Because who are you? Whatever problem you have, solve that problem and be with your wife. A man be so nekasa na tiny tino. Brother no will rather sit on the computer. What ban in channel said you be see over a asem. I mean your day. Obi kura wa man the coin, you be see obey no hono. You're fine. What you say? And then me come with some. If you want to remember, me, who some was so ya deal with you. Careful, your media man, who some was so ya dear. Nature sa wa upe wu. Me nada. They say stress can also cause it. And you remember, so we could do property for better for worse. Get that. Now we are in West. This is the time we need each other. This is the time we need each other. This is the time we have to cleave together. So what you say? And Yansafonu will win. Oh yes. And Yansafonu, by the time I do be a Nikunbekono na sundiaba. By the time I do be a Nirebeko na sundiaba. But they will continue to fight and it will be worse. And it will affect the children. Nkolano bra wo musha den nimu. Unsa wo nenam fie onyina wo eso wo hu se ho because wo hu fie da. Oni jiw sika no ho che wo man. Until now prove it. Do anything in your power and win the love of your children so that you can be able to talk to them. Sister Ngolano muni o. Krasa mumi no motse akonya ba so da. Na nka pesa ba ko bubu ba ko more. Eno no mu aba no bi aba na mu. What you say? Surprise your children. Let them know the chemistry between you and your wife. Very strong. Okay. Sit them down. Tell them, you know, I've been distant with your mother for so long because we have some issues, and now I think about it and I think, you know, this is the time we need each other. So from now on, this house, we are going to live in peace. No fight, no anything, and I promise you guys, you are with me, right? From now, I promise, it's not going to be any fight in this house, and I have to back my wife, and we have to stay together, because all these things that is going on, who knows what's going to happen, and we have to humble ourselves. So I'm here to speak to your mother. Whatever I did wrong, I pray that she will forgive me, and I'm done. From now on, you guys will hear any fight in this house. We are going to stick together as a family, and we will fight this disease. You hear me, Kweku? Kweku, are you listening? Where is it? Yeah? Are you listening to me? Oh, yes, Daddy. And the children, listen to me here. When you see your daddy also is doing something different, don't be surprised. Don't just come and be like, hey, Daddy, you are talking like this? Daddy, you? Oh my God. Don't do that. Be happy when you see your dad doing that. Be happy when you see your mother comes down speaking to your dad with respect and everything. Don't be surprised. Don't do anything that will let her stop it. Don't do anything that will let your father stop being nice. You hear me? Encourage them to be nice. As a matter of fact, if I was you, I would sit down and say, Mom and Dad, we want to have a meeting with you guys. You know, it's been so long. Always you guys fight. You know, you talk to each other, not in a good way. You know, we are sick and tired hearing fight here and there all the time. We want to come together. You see what is going on in this world. We want to be united. We want to come together as one big happy family. So me and my brothers, we are here to say we need peace in the house. Because when we listen to the news, they say even stress can cause coronavirus. So please, we want to hear peace in this house. And we know that you guys will listen to us. As a case, you should play your part also. I know God will give you power to be able to do this. If you feel like the fight between your mom and dad is ongoing, you guys sit down and do something about it. You can do it, even though you're children. They brought you to this world and you can speak, right? Say something sensible to them. Gather your brothers and sisters together. Sit down and talk. Okay, we want to say this and that. Write it on the paper. Pray over it. Tell God to lead you. Go to them. Have a meeting with the family. Speak to your parents so that they will stop doing that. If I was you, I would start speaking and crying at the same time. If they really have a heart, they will let everything go away. So it will be peaceful in a house. Because it doesn't help most of you. Some of you, when the fight starts in the house, when you go to school, you can't even concentrate. It affects most of you. My husband coached soccer kids. Every time the kid cannot play very well, he knows something wrong. Every time he pulled that kid away and say, hey, come on, what's going on? By the time he finished, he will know that there is a problem in the family, in the house. That's why the kid cannot play very well. So when they start fighting, it affected you guys too. Okay? You also need peace. So sit down, speak to your parents. I know they will listen to you guys. Most of you, some of you, your mom loves you guys so much. Some of you, you have the heart of your father. You know, he loves you. Whatever you say, he listens. Use that too to speak to your father no matter what. Maybe he's at the point that he even want to divorce your mother. Stick in and be on behalf of your mother. Stay strong and speak to your father so that he can drop that decision. You can do it. Because most of you can do so many things, right? Most of you, I mean, you have big ideas. Sometimes you bring the parents to the table, the things that you put it on, it becomes bigger than us. And you force us to agree with you guys. So now we also need your help. Sometimes we need the children's help so that peace will prevail in the family. So I urge you guys, and I'm giving you a homework. Start checking your mom and dad. Check the chemistry between them. What is going on? What do you see every day? When they get together, do they fight all the time? On the weekends? What do you see in the house? I'm giving you assignment. By the time all this coronavirus issue comes down that you can go to school, make sure by the time you left the house, between your mom and dad, there's peace. That's your homework. God is also counting on you. You can do something about it. But don't take sides. Because you did something and your mother said no. Because of that, you hate her. So whatever your father is doing, you're backing your father. That is not good. They're both your parents. Don't pick sides. I love my mom more than my father. I love my father more than my mom. That's not good. If you really want to grow up and become a successful person, make sure there is peace in the family. That's your homework that I'm giving you. And I know God can use you as a tool to fix this family that is broken. Do you hear me? Jesus Christ is counting on you kids too. Especially in Europe, America, everywhere. You guys have a power. You speak. Right? So please do that. Don't always sit there like a dummy and you just all you know what to do is playing games on your phone and doing video games. Don't do that. Do something that people will be like, huh? That your mom will be like, huh? Akwesi, is that you that talking like this? Come on, give me a hug. You shock me. Do that. I have my children, my other son, he's good at that. His name is Vince. I think he's a counselor in this family. when he checked both of you, something is wrong. Oh, he will jump in. He will talk about it. And his father loves him so much. So whatever my son say, the father, he hears him. So when he checks something is wrong, he's like a peacemaker. As a matter of fact, he have award from his school. They say he have a gold heart. I didn't bring it, otherwise I will show you. They give him award from school that he have a gold heart. They call it Do the Right Thing Award. He got it from school. That's how good he is. Even his teachers, they say when they were sitting quiet, Vince will run to them and say, what is wrong? He will try to talk to them. So they love him. So please, we also count on you. Because you don't want to hear. I was saying, oh, so free oko. Ukuro mun futro ate. Oh, ja wasam. Edian. Now when you crossing the ever and you be that what are you guys talking about? And you even get confused because they were speaking this big chi. You don't even understand. Sometimes you guys have to run to your room because too much. What's it when I say no? Miss Mukuru Futro, oh, ja was what was your penny crab and papa for some free, Miss Okonomi free. Now when you mean they were talking like, and you're sitting there being like, huh? Enough of all that. Especially now that you guys are going to do your school work at home. You need a peace of mind. You hear me? So you first sit them down. If you see the chemistry is bad, sit them down. You can talk. Anya Sadia, I'm telling you. Ochi bebro before so bebro. That one I can say it in tree. Maybe your mom can help you. Because if they are not united and the fight keeps going on and one died or something happened or divorce happened, you guys will be in trouble. You don't want that. You always want your mom and dad by your side, right? We need unity. Unity. Come together. Sit on the table. Do dinner together. Sit together. You're watching TV. Do together. And I create a minute TV show where they create a DSC. Munina Montanas. You know, in Kai first, no, me passport. What the mommy cry me years watching. And so to be a papa to her. So metin in China. Nurse was some fun as suppose no pay. And come go to na kamishet, but man now so I near me until now was semi sometimes it will be a tikemu, mikunu or tina dear, until just a missy permission, or don't person it preaching. We okay. Osio ya, nishi, I have to seek permission. One pet, nsu beti, why we need choice. So you boy and you be why you and you way, but you have to sacrifice for each other. So what I say? Ntifie na when you me block with man out tifio. Eh. Compound that let me see. Sorry. So what I say? If you wanna hear better no, ya stop here. Eh, bibi ntio. Ye be make peace. E no sa no. Onyame to n'ania. Coronavirus ba pause ya full stop gina ya. Oh kwan, o se me ko ya prako ne yere fie. O so ko pede o. An se me kwakwa akoyo wo se da bi. Me manga. Erade na de se cruise you wa wo hwa wo. Na ya prako na se na osijan me se mangra. Na erade na se cruise we de wo se me visi wo se me se mangra ante. Wo se di enti na erade no twa picture na kire wo. O twa na kire no. O se ade if you owe a peace, who could be all? Asma me can say, what you say, unity, when you make unity. Too much in talk. Hey, 6 feet under obi abako hwe nipa wu wo ka bi hye obi aso ne me obi usika obi mfa boga nye so an obi va ho wo ye hwan and the president for ko bi TV so no money mo fu unya hu ni bibi o wo so wo ai mfunyina pe solution obi ani abre wo so wo who person who pipe one out born some 51 when you meet here and you make peace in your family if you're masu dimra abuche me masemu ni modiane no fa diane no to so the whole week bra ko si na be bo diane ofio say wo ofie unko be ko no nko anu di ama wadi ache wo de onu awie agam kukuo no ba ba obu wo wi a wa set table na nkola ndi o ma dadi wo de waduane edo what you say o pete pofu bia na wachira ma yire ekua na hanum no ye nsey na wachira se be ye nkola ni hu so obeboa wo na wachira ma kosi wudi yese ya anana WhatsApp ayi ne da nchen wo ya na wakatwi na guso ekua na ase ayi ne ye digum tambe no no so aye WhatsApp so wo nti ehwehwa wasum na ese wo tie tip off na wo ye niam na nyina fe no set table nkola momra we call your mother food is ready here that's the number one chef in this house now chef atade show now taw gukon so what you say no set fio to say yes so what you say no mu didi na fio why do when you me to na ni free so to say yes cruise yes afede o mu say yes me mani abre ye busy che now what be the New York sound quiet even see that many me babru chire be 17 years ni even see that so what you say se bi esi atwam tetebere mu ade a menim and the sports nyina ya cancel and the bar almighty alcohol bar yetutum spring break yes yenye Irish Day, it will be a petition, so say fee. You put to stop on it. Continue. The century do the million you do, wouldn't tea be you. Movie dream memo koda, most stones are bompire, a chain a mere some, a read the Bible, a slow red day, only a mobo, a bompire ma fufro. No munina mokoda. Sani ye no na wedi wo fimpo na nichira ha we so nichira ha enra mi kunasi aten sanso no gunu so won kwa adwuma ni nti no ho yira no otuka odo na akwa ye se ya mi cheki ya tomatoes ni wo mi ko to bia ba odo na akwa ye mi ko anu na mi se mi kwa kope we ya to mi nyebi e won chaso wo dimiti wo odi akoni abasa adwuma ta fa moja no so what you say amame I want to come near ye ko nante abonte kakra on to me ntena fie on to me nti mon come down brafon busy na ye mi se wo suma mi kunu predu obekọ koso ne ho yira no opeso opia bonte so what you say opeso opia bon ho yiro ontimi ntena fie e wano na wo se moduma na wo se want father what was it want father notice and hey what so it is no one of you ontimi ntena eno mi hu ye wakoto tomatoes o hihye no se tuka odo na akohe me ko pay yi bi ato no menye bi ena me se me ko aha no makopay we ato menye bi aha no me sako obehu na otuka ena di we fa odo na we me se me ko store me ko pay we ato why you used to being busy so what you say onyame ma waka mo da no hu se adwuma sika ne nye no nko ani wiase opese wo afeyi adwuma ho dagene sika ho da yini nyina na fe focus ye din na feti die e fa enam wiem die e koso afi brefom ni ti awurade so kakra salo okay this time nyen tokwakum this time na wodi me kundi ye me this time nye de me yire dia ye me pa this time we need unity nyesa oh yentimi nkokon metu makawa akoma no munya yentubi kunu mayede onyame sete a sound alarm echere opese echere ye se ye jame ho ye de aduma sie ni so ye sika sie ni so we are so busy afedi we de careful ya to ye so we de sunshine na to ye so o se ye nye focus. So what you say? Nti focus ye ni mu no I will see ye united. Bra, sister na ya obone. Une na ya kache. Ene jai. Jai manenko. Emma wa kuma nye din too much. Let it go. Go and hug your wife. Sister, I said no kude macho. Let it go. Konu kunun kasa. Oh yes, so I am you too much in the house. Energy na wo honin yet. So what you see? I say you are continue. You are continue. Why the names of Bessan could do fear some Jim? They say you knew dia, a dear Nayaji. A dear name to Kokuni or Bowden done Pabacoso, moon to me make peace. Bema on in the damn Pabacoso, moon to me make peace. In the heaven, I could bump by a more say when you mean you coronavirus in Fibu Mushi. Wabra will fear home to me make peace. One casa, nipple back for home to me handle. Nanipa don't know. What? Wonderful. This is a warning. I was if you hear sound. No nyame kasa yatiu. I was say wo a sound. I was asumdue tene fie. And fun sanya wadam for no one we be cool. Now for so mufrefe anyhow no cut them and focus on your marriage this time. Now for so musufo no mufrefe sa na me kan wasem bra no wo you know sister no wo kuno jawo mo bra na wo fu bo mu fi ododo 1 2 ekuya Gladys na efre no 1 2 akosi eyi na efre no 1 2 ya pepra na efre no ade leave them alone, let them be. I'm a man of 20 to some franca coronavirus obehu no social media obehu no news. Keep your news to yourself. Keep your bad news to yourself and cry your own cry in your house. Guess no so amotanko folk no mamen ka wasem. Yeah, breakfast in almost the same. My man was say, some more. Me rent to so yasu, so one come on to one will be bayo. So what you see? Me say my focus is in our houses. Yeah, what you know? I want to me focus, and then I don't know. I want to focus in the see a we don't have to take that bitterness back to work again. And who knows if you're going to return to work? to fix the house. Ye fio ye maniji mrefio no wa ma edwuma mu aniji aba ho botom ache awrechichire nso efiru nipa ho eba na we ko we ba we no aduane obakra woni obi fridge duma we so fa we aduane on the yeah who took my milk? Yeah, I saw that in the fridge. You saw that in the fridge. No, I'm not going to break it. Yeah, Papa. Now, make it on. I will move my car. And I just walk with chicken and gas and I want to be a wow. This. And French number, a kumi pantem. You move a brain roommates. Misu na me my second chance. So I'm fixing fio hey, ejabetum. Me nada. Se fio ya nye hoye na unyame nya nkola no so concentration and to me you so nkola na wiye bremu a asembesi. Because God needs those children. Uhia nkola no. Ba moye musaka ye wo fio no putu nkola no away. Ijina kono yuni mu nyansa be hye na kono nyina atete kwa obekọ jina kono without helmet obekọ jina kono wa bra unsisi no fix the house you feel ye kotna social media nkochorocho na ewrade hu yomobo if you unsisi if you crowd to me hand if you social media na be kasa kire hwan if you wona wo yire ntamu nuku untumi sisi ukotena social media akasa kire hwan one person untuma handle no am peace amamontem afi wa my time out mo de yemfa ya time no yemfa ni gidua boso wo social media mo bo hu de besi time na wonya media my person ye focus ni wo sam power tie se da won sakra da no mo de mo fa yemfa nkoji gidua bo so let me come say if you on ye udi adanse for the past 2 years, 3 years, ubi a kumbe 5 years ni. There is no peace in the house. Wana be man ntamunye, oba ntamunye, omuso ntumi nyai, no omukonkom ho. Na distress etutu na tuwe. To be born adwuma afe no so no nyesika kakra no okoga na okotwe ne mpra no asaba. This time you cannot do that again unless someone don't want to say. Unless it's so soon, you mean of your pay. Unless it's in the man on come. O me props to me lie on Kotungu. Enough! Or girlfriend, friend, and in yai. Catch a moon flow you. O no, you're a moon column coaching no messon. Catch them or no. Menon Tawan Tower, Tinam, maybe dinkomo. O more friend, says a wunty, Majai. Me could change your phone no ma. Change it! Block them from your Facebook. All the naked pictures, videos, delete them all. Let your focus be on your family and on Christ. And then make one some more. Esa grow. Esa be dear grower. Grow so shasti say shikia. One come in so make a yes. Me nada. If you oyo, if you on ye a hot, if you to some ball so, if you on ye, the by light is so on ye a honey in the spiritual realm. If you on ye, Mammy, I'm not trying penance and permitted the power, Sophia Horde. And your Timmy. Uti be a Uti would quite. And make us some in sheer bobet wall and your windjuma. And Munglakuman. Because Papa now in it to me waiting in Tina so Pamasa Wubwa. Papa now in it to an enquiry. Mamma now in it to an enquiry. Mimi waiting in Tabia Memewakasana Bay. Winimubon. So what I say, Winimubon, and yet a big Winimubon more, and maybe, ish. Money be, who call your friend, and they say, Sister Queer, you will see a man, Mimuna, or see a Dimimuna both paper. Bra, Ubakoya see a friend of a yapreco, bra, Udimuni. Oh, me nada. Cause once you, and yet, or through came on the phone. So, yeah, yeah. Yeah, now say I okay. Yeah, me also so the my miss. Now say sana boy the guy. Na boy no what you is. Oh, so. Oh, challenge me free me. Akwa we pa die. Hey. Aye. Okay. Yeah, challenge me do fie ti no, yeah. Yeah, tie be ka say chire. Odi to no to so a na mumuni come back. Bonyo de bonyo. Mr. Serious Face. Me pacho anyibia wo ye e de say bodyguard. Omo no mo ba no bonyo face. No asashe no wo ye. No more I say. They don't smile. No body till home. What I say? Monster, Nina say he's spine, everything. Udi agrobe will be pull trigger. Almost so when you brain you be feel was still what coming or ban or put to burn your face. When you meet us no help. But to the news when ya preko nekon. Na you necessary I was re. Nti the cover or the refuge wrong. Okay, no help. Odufia, daddy, I want some haji. Ediasem, will be a fridge, more cambum panya. Or faster than all the sieges. No, ye jenny, no shall see future, or ben one again. Sister, this why you're getting a coyote or so me. You see you. Never say a ginger crabber would no papro. Because when you dig in this alcohol lawyer, old Nakura the bed. Nti the bayan say so safe for them or Jumaye. I can send Cophobia sending naked pictures, video, the conforming conformer, now the two who the Jojo, who are not the other. And also the who call saying, Tisa who call that Sana Jono. So best sorry, a dear Betchoma, who knows? Nti because of that, we say Tayama Wajuma, or Mawaya dear team where you or Efrasa see something. Oh, sister, not so bad, we want to care. Yeah, I queer. Now get us some day, you see and count. She. There been a say a city Nikulu no crown, who never was some woman. Aye, they say you see Nikulu no crown, say you see you on the Babu. She. When you would tear soon in the echo. There be. Yes, someone who in the Babu channel. Someone who know what Germany. Eh. Into when no far no. Nti yesi wo kopie party na se ne kotija me nada e mani bi yo muti das me papa so na se yesi ayi wato e de say ayi G-Wagon G-Wagon no so ne de G class ya Mercedes hu ya ese mamen enu bi no wato enti se de ga ne chese wo ba ne ni de wiem sa akua wo de me yadu fi why me fre wa chiri mommy say I put the bread here. Who took it? took my bread again today. Where is he? Yeah. Me de sanye manema na oye me mpesa o. Efi anu me no tem bibie ni wa auto ba fia. Me to ma de so oba no. Efi ne kuto wade. Bread ne ne da ho no. Fa ne kokoto me de bre me. Eno so asie ne say. Me to gas ku ka ma wa bituka. Me to ka na fa unto bi mu. Me ko ka na me mu ade na de mba bruche. Adan. Ma brew. Ma unko na de oba ba bruche. Eno wa to ka I dey say pepesi. Why you pepesi ama no? Adan. Adan me betra wo nche. And to me, one Baba Roger of him, and Memo Mujama, and the animal, and the animal. Mommy, calm down. I want never come by. Just a bit of once, Babusia Fana told me. So Babusia Fana told me that you are I have been promising all day. Me now that be family or be kumi na me won tame. Ya be promise kumi. When I the Bible che kumi na me won tame o to ma bro. Hello akuya. Me so be family. Yeah. Me show anymore. You see? Yes, stay in the neighbor, none in Niagia, or Moody will be conconze. No. See, God is up there, He's watching all this. What should so sit closely? Are they playing? Are they joking? I feel Uncolani in say, Uncolano crass or my bassa. Nifio we any no na nkola na ye basa chese nti akola no ye ya na so ko computer so akoya de o kriki ya na ne papa pono na ne papa e na be tosko na akola no so ji edwa ho no so hwebie nti akola no so ba be addicted to porn because of what is going on in the house. You see, nti atrodie we ne ye troma Yesu okokenkan. Hey, you 3 years or shaky ground. Hey, yo, Munyano, no shaky grounds. Cause Papa and shaky grounds on Kofubi, he won't get the attention. Munyano, no shaky grounds. Copim saw no one the Boba Junior. Concert, ya me, bebre, echoes we if you. Ekoso enkoye so nyame betie ye mpaebo a ye fix ifio ifie na ye di ye dwuma adane e de say a trophy afio ha ye basa no. Let's fix the house. Anye sa me nada. He say your man mama bribe omumrem so mo ene nkoya omumrem enkola no so hya se yesa onyame kora be firi sumu so hira wo koso nkofo di mosem ache se say yempe mosem korati de bia mo de nsem ko nti se say nkofo oye ohunfu no ma no akuya no enesu bi omosa so ja ofio me de menya da jam de betiti nsem omo hagin too much bia ware bakwa ma ware mu de bia kwan eno so ene se we ya wafre me be twice ya me mfa utum se bibia si ufio nti amamfo kore pampam unse mobo unsa fe wo no yiri ntam nti amamfo de wani mayefom because the cases no go too much complaining too much nti ama nipa bi enni ko so kasa kire last unsa wo ye ma me no se me de ya bramo e de ai untie jaya na someone na mo ware na me obi fa mo efi ne kwakwa mo mfo sem ma habiem ni abramo nyom nko na mo ware mo pese mo te ase nyom nko de bia ne mo haye peace mo nko e bia ware na mo nko mo ware de bia mo mani pa so mo nwono na fe ye de mo nima dade from you titi mo ade unyame de careful ya tomoso ote o se fix your home if you ona ejijana odi adwuma da na wo yere na ukunu Or se fix feel. Anyesa na pia bonten or the coronavirus go bonten. Wo bema pie. Wo yo ba te se no a wo de kopati na se. Na if you en sampam. Ewrade to nani oposo wo yusu nkola no. Moni entimi nto nkola no so nhwe wo mu yimfa nyameso mura wonti nkola no sei. Ti ewrade hye wo sinkofo we ma anya hu bibia. Mi nya ho namba kokora. Akakra bi so na maba. Ntidie na menye. I was me silence the whole world. Na me ma wo mu so wo na wo maboso wo nya obia. Ati. Dio waso ntie de honhom ne kasa trust. Di woni aso nkɔhye. Onyame o mesense wiem o. Nsema makekan eye nsema edi ehim wo ye fifi. Wo pati wo mpa. Wo de koko bobra no koye de wo ye na nsakra. Koye de wo ye na. So onyame am visit wo na kyesa wo nka ne ma no. Na so bi pie o sezumi lion. Tie no sa no kra fa nsa buti. Cause wo tumi check se wo di boni bi na sela onyame nka wo hwedi a. Na kyesa wo ne no ntam no nye. Na kyesa ne ma no wo nka ho. Abonsam ma no na bia wo ye part of them. Na nyi fa nsa buti ne su. What you say? But so we nyame ba party and some free man obey, you will do your homework because nyame na make us chiro. E ye wrade na na memu kasa chiro. Me sire wrade so se wo hu mobo na wani mra wo so. Opeso obewure fio. But the ekoso fio ntu nyame ntumi ma obedu kon na no na asase. If you are isu. So what you say? Bema and then make be a child. Asante fosi tutu a child bema bomeboa. It you ne two fiono, jetarobo. Okay? Take all the blame and let peace reign in the house. No matter, just take it. Mate, equia, we are no correct. Me and me how brabo will buy me. Sister, when he start talking, just be happy. Just be happy. Bonabaso, otherwise I did. Because our people on my head, they are 2 years say, a big crowd in nuisance or moral in a go. Yes, a crying ya made the one fufi. Nti yema dear sinners and cock, not the can ye more by. Yentina soon dream, and one in here. And Nipa medichebi. Nipa ne wu said ye copra in Murray. Ye jidia was as so. So what I say, I rechichel through Nipa made off. Dear Chamunin in a man in Chamaye. A yentina soon dream. Ntoko wayo ye mani nyina tunja. Sika o sika ye beto ye beseja. Nkofu yuja o bank fu nye benye sika. Cause nkofu sika gugu bank. Obi kra o disie ne yere owu. Ni yiri ni bank fu ya ne befe sika. Ye bepe die. Ye beje die edube ya ye peye ne sika ne we ene. Yari ye sese no de ne ni akere Ghana. Ye sere wrade mumu se Ghana die. Ohu ye mobo. Cause ye government omo case kura do so say ambulance. Omo case omo package omo fie do so say ambulance e ukuru. So what you say? Ti sabre ye mo mpae ne yankote se ye maame bi ana ye wo fa bi ho aka. Yinyina ye wo ahohiehie mu asabre wo se ye kwa awurade ne mu mpaebo. Ene ye mfa obi ho menasepo enkwa awurade ne mu mpaebo. Nti wo se ye kambo mu. Ye united. Ye de mfom so cheche ye ho na afa ye tumi kwa awurade ne mu mpaebo sa na ye hia. So what you say? Afa be menyansani wo so medo fomate obenyansani wo so miura mate. Matthew or don't talk with yourself on you could say hey from bra no one maleti kakra na sere abafio no mo sere. So what you say? Ni ye koye when so ye say ade no to say ponche ntokwa kukuru ko so ne abafo mo so mu da so gina mu firi kukuru ko gina ha mo da so gina ho o gide bra sister mu firi ko gina ha a check through 3 years ni mo da so gina so ka mu hu ye mu ko so say ya o no masa abafo we de mo da so hangi wiem mu nti yenyam from papa ho obi ensi from obi ensifo pam no twa no minua ne mache no eye obi ensifo obi a wo se wa waresem on kasa yi ade bia okode ya na part na se de kuye ye no de enye no twa ne bo onye ni papa na se de kwabena ye de enyi kwaso ye sa twa ne bo onye ni papa on pese peace beba mo ntem man nam fo nsombo nchen wo ni uyere man nam fo nsombo nchen wo ni ukunu na cruise we no ehye nanuma no wokae won hwiye odidi wachi sa no wo pe secret wo beba no so Facebook live no wo yo no wo do secret abegu abonte media bloggers ntime hu di omutumi ye pa be wise ote a word to a wise is enough we say ya e cruise you wo fie oh mo beta hu manim ai enkosi se coronavirus ebe yi careful no sanshire or dia to yeso we will talk and I pray that God will listen to us to be so about cho ma command mra from what e mum kru nchire obi abi meye nipa na ye bone nipa so na de bone che let it go ni fie ho enye kama munyina mu papa e clean na we clean ekuya na clean na wa ebi oi ma ni spray ha no no so asom oti ase na nkola yi ebutu ko ho na do mo wi a ofom ho dem ho na we do na study quick ubo se na fe energy no because sa brain from na mu wi mu nye man kan kire wa menue from na mu wi mu ni dangerous isre urade se wo mo ani nti omunti wo ma me betena ha no wo mbeti asemi wo de bobobra isre urade se omani nyesa Jesus Christ me da was me show ni munya me okese se odi nkonim me da was se odi onam me mudi asement se wo be kasa kire urade ya se ye betie e de be ye boa ye na ye ntumi fast me nya djuma na opie woni munya mo ya nya yiraba e da was se odi nkonim adom nti amen.